have rugs or carpet, you know that every once in a while the carpet needs a good deep cleaning. While you can certainly hire an outside company to clean your carpets, a lot of people like to make sure their carpets are clean by cleaning it themselves. But in order to clean your carpet yourself, you need a good carpet cleaner. So today, let's take a look at the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner and see how well the good doctor performs. Before we get going, I wanted to show you the box itself. And it's a big box. It's also fairly heavy, so as always, be careful when lifting. So now, let's take a look and see what's inside. Here are all the pieces just out of the box. You get a user manual, an upholstery brush, a holder for the upholstery brush, a little container of cleaning solution, a clean water tank, a wastewater tank, and the Rug Doctor itself. To attach the upholstery tool holder, simply slide into the brackets on the Rug Doctor machine itself. To put the upholstery tool onto the upholstery tool holder, first insert the large connector into the holder here. Next, wrap the hose around the holder clockwise 3 times. Attach the wand nozzle end into these clamps here. Then finally, attach the nozzle into the nozzle holder here. Next, fill the water tank with hot tap water up to the fill line. Add soap into the cap of the water tank. Pour the soap into the water tank and tighten the lid. Place the water and soap solution back into the machine. Now you're ready to start cleaning. After plugging in the Rug Doctor, you're going to adjust the handle to a comfortable position. There's a rocker switch on the top of the handle. One side is labeled rug, one side is labeled tool for using the upholstery tool. If you're going to be cleaning carpet, we're going to turn this to the rug switch. Then, to activate the soap and scrubber, we're going to press down on this button, and then we're going to slowly walk the cleaner backwards. Alright, so let's get it going. Once I start it, you'll hear the motor, and you won't be able to hear me talking, so let's just watch. So just after vacuuming maybe a quarter of the room, you can see some of the wastewater accumulating in the wastewater tank. To use the upholstery tool, attach the nozzle into the port here on the side. Then attach this connector into this nozzle and turn until it is locked. And now you can use the upholstery tool, pressing the trigger to get soap. Note that for carpets that need extra cleaning, you can turn on the Super Boost spray, and an extra spray of cleaning solution will come out this end of the machine. Okay, so in use, the Rug Doctor works quite well. It's a very heavy machine, but when you're using it, you really don't even notice it. It's got very large wheels to allow for easy maneuverability over carpets. And you're always pulling the unit backwards, and it glides really easily. You don't even really notice the weight. And once you're done, it's very easy to clean up. You lift up each tank by the handle. So in the front here is the wastewater tank, and you can see I thought this carpet was really clean, but after using the Rug Doctor, tells me that appearances can be deceiving. And to empty the wastewater tank, you would just unscrew and empty. And if there's any cleaning solution left in your clean water tank, lift that up by the handle and empty accordingly. One thing I did notice though when using the upholstery tool, when you unhook the nozzle here, there was a little bit of cleaning solution still left in the hose, and so that spilled. But it wasn't much, but just be aware of it. So this has been a look at the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. It's easy to use, easy to set up, and most importantly, it gets your rugs clean. So I hope this review has been helpful. So thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.